Hello guys, today in this video we will review Tradingview. Tradingview is a very popular platform, as you know very well. So in this video I'm going to provide you some major red flags why you should not go with this platform, and if you are trying to create or if you are going to create any account on this platform, what are the things you need to keep in your mind before creating any account. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we will talk about this brand. This platform is approx like 5 to 6 year old, and the domain is created approx 5 to 6 years right now. So the platform, each and everything is looking very good, each and everything is amazing, but the only problem with their platform is subscription. So you can see the platform is available on Trustpilot, and they have like 1000 reviews on Trustpilot, out of which 56% is very bad, or you can say like negative reviews. And all the negative reviews is complaining like free trial or subscription or membership, you can say, like they have charged without their permission, and even they have cancelled their subscription and they have charged, like you can see this is a very big amount they have charged. The problem is like when you create any account on this platform, they will provide you a free account, as they have mentioned on their, you can select website, and when you try to create any account, they will automatically activate your subscription, and if you forget to cancel your subscription they will charge you. You can say want to charge me $20 per month when they show me $8 per month proposal. Okay, so it means the only problem with the subscription model, and this is the biggest problem, and even customer cancel their subscription and they are still charging on their account. So you need to be very careful. So you can also see like one user like Lee Larson is also claiming like they have charged like approx $677. They say they can't reverse the charge for 30 days. So you can imagine the, you can say like money detection problem of this platform. So please stay away, otherwise you are going to face these kind of issues. And if you really want to create any account on this platform, please read all the reviews, and after that you can contact it with the customer support team, then you can resolve these kind of issues. Otherwise the platform is legit, the platform is providing you good supports, you can say like related to trading and all, but the reviews is very bad regarding premium account. Okay, so this is the information. Now my dear friends, if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, without using product, without using services, we can't say anything, but if you have already any experience you can share your thoughts in our comment box. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.